Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza with a controller. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. Your left stick handles steering, while the right trigger accelerates and the left trigger brakes. Practice smooth inputs to maintain control, especially in turns. Experiment with different camera angles using the dedicated button to find what works best for your driving style. Mastering these basics is key to enjoying the game. Now, let's dive into some advanced techniques to elevate your Forza gameplay. Drifting requires a delicate balance of steering, throttle, and a quick tap of the handbrake. Switching to manual shifting gives you precise control over your gears, allowing for faster acceleration and better cornering. Don't be afraid to adjust your assists, like traction control, to find the perfect challenge level for your skill. Optimizing your controller settings can significantly improve your driving experience. Head into the controller options to fine-tune steering linearity and dead zones. This makes your inputs feel more natural. You can also remap buttons to create a custom layout that feels most comfortable for you. Don't forget to experiment with vibration feedback, as it can provide valuable cues about your car's grip and terrain. Consistent practice is crucial for becoming a better Forza driver. Challenge yourself across various car classes and race types to hone your skills and adapt to different conditions. Engaging with the Forza community, whether through online races or clubs, offers a fantastic opportunity to compete, learn new strategies, and share your passion. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep driving and have fun out there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.